Product and distribution companies will be using Channel Runway to discover new channel partners based on their requirements. As a channel company, you would like to appear at the right place in search results, and your profile should be complete, as this will trigger an interest in engagement. Hence, your company profile is a very important part of the platform. You have to ensure that the information you share is precise and accurate. This will take some time, but is largely a one-time effort. What sort of information do you need to input? We start with basic information like name, address, contact number, etc. You also have to define the channel category that best defines your organization. Are you a distributor, reseller, system integrator, retailer, etc.? We then move on to a company overview. It's a description of your organization. You can also add a corporate presentation here, link to a video, and social media links to share more information about your company. In this section, you also share information about the management team. This will help you to position your company better and show who are the people behind the company. Finally, details of a key contact person. All communication from this platform will be addressed to this person. We then move on to the product. Here we want to understand all the products that you represent and your relationship with the principal company. Most companies have multiple products, and you can choose the products you represent, and if you are a certified or a non-certified partner, and indicate your partner status, platinum, gold, etc. You can share how long you've been selling this product. Please do this for all the products that you represent. In the next section, we are looking to understand the brands and product categories you work with and how they contribute to your overall revenue. The next section is the current partner or network information. You only complete this section if you are a distributor, value-added distributor, wholesaler, or master reseller. You will indicate the approximate number of direct billing partners you have for different partner categories. For example, how many value-added resellers, VAR, you have in your network. The Channel Presence section will cover your channel footprint in large, medium, and small cities. Indicate cities where you have channel presence and the approximate number of partners you have in those cities. We then move on to the team structure. Here we understand the number of people you have in different functions, across sales, marketing, etc. In the following section, we understand your industry and market segment focus. Most channel companies focus on multiple industries, but have a strong foothold in a few industries, depending on the products you represent. As an example, if you are selling high-end computer servers into financial services, then it is likely that the majority of your company revenue and team focus will be on that industry. Similar to the industry segment focus, you can also choose a market segment that your company focuses on. You can choose 5 of each in decreasing importance to you. The next section understands your distribution infrastructure. List all the countries where you have a direct presence and the products you represent in those countries. If you have a direct presence in Singapore and Malaysia, then first select Singapore as a country and indicate all the products you represent, and then move on to Malaysia. You then follow a similar process for your warehouse, logistics, and RMA infrastructure. Finally, select all the cities where you have a direct presence with your team. The next section is related to marketing and sales promotion, and we want to understand what kind of marketing activities you do. In the next section of profile creation, we look to understand more about your customer base. If you are a distributor, wholesaler, or master reseller, we want to understand the standard credit terms you offer to your channel partners. Your firm's revenue range for the last fiscal year. You can share details of the certification that your company team members have. In the next section, we collect references. As a reseller, your reference could be a country or channel manager of products you represent, someone who has worked with you extensively and knows you well. References give a lot of confidence to companies when they are seeking a new partner to represent them. You can also share other information that has not been properly captured yet. In the final section of profile creation, we look to understand more about your future expansion plan. You can share your regional expansion plan and product categories in which you wish to expand your product portfolio. You can also share additional information regarding your expansion plan. This is an important section. This is where you can write about your company direction and what you're looking for. Add any information about your company expansion plan that will help you to partner with new companies to represent them. Your profile creation is complete. You can now choose to complete your preferred partner certification or go to your dashboard to search for new products or companies. Channel Runway, enabling the channel ecosystem.